75 miles per hour, 79 miles per hour. And I'm
looking a little bit northwestward from the location. In fact, at camp miles per hour, we're seeing power going out left and right across the city. You can stream us on your Fox 20, Rogers County, Wagner County. You're up next. Tulsa County getting it right at this very moment. Fox 23 weather manager, Birgit Rose-Lesvik. We're talking an inch of rain falling in the next 30 minutes in much of Tulsa as this
power flashes in South Tulsa. The big track here is basically from downtown, kind of curving around to Bixby and moving east, and it is falling. Talking 55 to 60 miles per hour, 47 basically landing Paradise, Korea, and sort of you watch power flashes on this camera too as we look south right down Memorial Drive.
It's 20 degrees just from a moment ago, so showcasing the power of the winds at the moment. It is a complete whiteout in terms of rainfall as well. This would just be
drive by an electric time. We can see that it's tabulated. It's all automatic, of course, but it does take it's the highway. I'm amazed that we are still being able to.
And we're likely to continue to see that wind strength carry on through Broken Arrow, with beyond the community or anywhere this is where those winds are in that range. Rogers County, Wagner County, are up next. Tulsa County getting it right at this very moment. Not to be everyone we're getting to here at our studio in fact right now. And of course, here at the London, very electric storm, rainfall rates are going to control with it. We're talking inch of rainfall in the next 30 minutes. South
at 32nd and over either Lewis or Utica, and I have unbelievable wind.
What's going to be a tremendously damaged.
Can you hear me?
Watching power flashes in South Tulsa. The big track here is basically from downtown, kind of curving around to Bixby and moving east, and it is falling. Talking 55 to 60 miles per hour. Moving to Tulsa, Broken Arrow just in the next few minutes. It's 12:21 now. This is another power flash. So, and we are losing power in the building right now. You're on. We do have emergency power, so it'll take us a while to redo it. But, yeah, we'll be coming back on and get those well. So something's on emergency power here, something's not. I'm going to keep this going right here. Let's see.
They've been noticing on studio camera right now, traffic is totally stopped on,
I think our camera is at a
yeah, well, traffic was stopped there on